Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. The dog is very proud, barking, yo, yo, yo. He does not know that I am chained. He is such a foolish that as soon as the master, come on. The Maya is the master. You rascal, come here. Yes. And he is proud, on something. This dog is civilization. Nasta buddha. Lost all intelligence. Less intelligence. Kamas duspuram. So kamam, the lusty desires, on account of this body, there is lusty desire. We cannot deny it. But don't make it duspuram, never to be satiated. Then finished. Make it limited. Make it limited. Therefore, according to the Vedic civilization, the lusty desire is there, but you cannot use it except for the purpose of begetting a nice child. That is called puram, means restrict. So the brahmachari is educated in that. Up to 25 years, he cannot see a young woman. He cannot see. This is brahmacharya. He cannot see. Then he is trained up in that way that he may continue a brahmachari life, naisthik brahmachari. But if he is unable, then he is allowed to marry. That is called grihastha life, householder life. Because between 25 years to 50 years, this is the youthful time. So these lusty desires are very strong. One who is not able to control, not for all. There are many naisthik brahmachari. Naisthik brahmachari throughout the life, celibacy. But that is not possible in this age. Neither it is possible to become a brahmachari. The time is changed, this age. Therefore you can control your lusty desire by Krishna consciousness. Otherwise it is not possible. Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padarvinda. One emperor, he was king, so naturally he was lusty also. So he gave up this life, became a devotee. So when he was means perfectly situated, so he said, Jaunacharya, he was the guru of Ramanujacharya. So he says that Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padaravinda. Since I have trained my mind to be engaged in the service of the lotus feet of Krishna, Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padaravinda. Nava nava dhamarantumas. Daily I am offering service to Krishna. I am getting new pleasure. The spiritual life means, if one is actually situated in spiritual life, he will get spiritual pleasure, transcendental bliss by serving more and more, new and new. That is spiritual life. So Krishna, Jamunacharya says, Jadavadhi mama chitta Krishna padaravindayo nava nava dhamadantumasi. When I am now realizing transcendental pleasure every moment by serving Krishna's lotus feet. Jadavadhi. Since then, Batanari Sangame, Sometimes we enjoy subtle pleasure, thinking of sex life. That is called Nari Sangam. Nari means woman. And Sangha means union. So those who have practiced, so when there is actually no union, they think of union. So Jamunacharya says, that not actually union with woman, but if I think of union, tadavadi batanari sangam is smajjamane. Smajjamane is simply by thinking. Bhavati mukha vikhara. Immediately I become disgust. What is this nasty thing? Sushtu nishta. This is perfect. This is perfect. So long we'll have think of, that is called subtle sex. Thinking, they read the sex literature, that is subtle sex. Gross sex and subtle sex. So, one has to become completely free from these lusty desires. Not to become implicated, which will never be satisfied, unsatiated, duspura.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.